Good day, welcome to Daily News Update on Flip TV. My name is Peace Oladipo. Katsina State Governor Dikko Umaru Radda was involved in a minor road accident on Sunday evening while traveling along the Daura Katsina Road. The incident occurred as the governor was returning from Daura, where he had visited the residence of the late former President Muhammadu Buhari to receive condolences from mourners. The governor's chief press secretary, Ibrahim Kaula Mohammed, confirmed the accident in a statement issued to journalists in Katsina. According to the statement, Radha sustained no serious injuries and remains in stable condition as he is currently undergoing routine medical evaluation at a facility in Daura as a precaution, with medical professionals attending to him. The accident caused a brief stir on social media, but the swift response from the governor's office clarified that Radha is in good health and high spirits. The statement expressed appreciation for the prayers and the support from Katsina residents and well-wishers, emphasizing the governor's gratitude for divine protection during the accident. Nidaura Katsina Road, a key route connecting the state capital to the hometown of former President Muhammadu Buhari, has seen increased traffic recently due to the official and political activities. Details regarding the cause of the accident or the involvement of other vehicles remain undisclosed. That's all on news updates. My name is Pisola Dikbo. Thank you.